Coinbase takes an equity stake in Circle's USDC. Friend.Tech, a scam, or the next big thing? Putin said some interesting things about de-dollarization, and watch until the end because I've got an update on XRP and Cardano's ADA. Welcome to Around the Blockchain, where we cover all of the latest crypto news that should be on your radar. Let's catch up on this week's events in the enticing world of cryptocurrency over Crypto Brunch. Putin believes the US dollar could lose its spot as the world reserve currency. The Russian president said during the BRICS 2023 summit in Johannesburg via video conference that the US dollar is losing its role in the world economy. He said this is an objective and irreversible process. And even Trump says the BRICS move toward de-dollarization is a huge threat. BRICS, an alliance between Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is proposing a common currency. Many speculate that they might even use cryptocurrency. The two companies that founded USDC are Circle and Coinbase, and on Monday they agreed on new terms that change guidelines for its funding and governance. Coinbase will now have an equity stake in the company at a time when USDC's dominance as the most trusted, stable crypto asset faces renewed competition. PayPal has its new stablecoin PYUSD. Tether keeps gaining market share, and there are even algorithmic stablecoins like Ethereum's RAI to contend with. Side note on that, Vitalik Buterin just repaid $250,000 worth of RAI on Sunday, depositing a total of $1.6 million worth of Ether into Coinbase. But we don't know why he did it. But you can stay up to date on important crypto topics like this by tuning into Around the Blockchain. It's where you'll find real talk with some of the biggest names in crypto, so make sure to click the like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Back to Coinbase and Circle. USDC will launch on 6 new chains to help boost adoption of the digital asset. The agreement between Coinbase and Circle used to be a revenue sharing agreement which was split based on how much USDC either company minted. Profit was also divided by how much USDC was held on each company's platform. The new revenue split will allow interest income to be shared equally between the companies. Whether it is on or off of their platform, including DeFi wallets. The focus will shift to revenue growth for the asset as a whole. Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire says that this change is good, strong alignment for long-term success. During Crypto Brunch a few weeks ago, we talked about Coinbase's mission to bring everybody on-chain in organic ways. They plan to accomplish this using their base sidechain of Ethereum, and in Brian Armstrong's 5 to 10 year game plan, there's little doubt that USDC will play a vital role. The base blockchain already has a decentralized app that launched last week that already has exceeded the daily transaction volume on Ethereum by 0.37 million. 4,400 Ethereum was moved to Base within the first day of launch. It's a Web3 social media app that allows people to buy shares of their friend's X profile via something called a key. When somebody buys a key for your profile, the value of your keys go up. That means when somebody sells, the value goes down. Number go up, number go down. Buying keys gives users closed access to their content and the ability to send messages. It's a tokenized social network, and larger influencers have started dominating the platform, running their share price up quickly as new users scramble to buy keys. The platform is becoming rapidly adopted, but it's already got some issues and red flags. The first issue is the dev that built it, with the pseudonym Racer. He has already built an NFT project that allows users to post from a commonly held Twitter account called TweetDAO. It went viral and then it dissolved completely soon after. The OpenSea page is gone and the TweetDAO Twitter page is suspended. Been there a few times. The dev was involved in another flop as well, StealCam, which allowed users to steal NFTs from each other, but the images weren't visible until the purchase. This project was later rebranded into Friend.Tech, and you can see why it's causing some to raise an eyebrow. There are concerns with bots and scammers, and fake Twitter accounts can easily create a Friend.Tech account that looks real. To make sure you're buying keys from the right account, verify that their Twitter is valid by clicking on the user profile and checking the connected X account. This is especially important with large accounts that have a lot of fakes. Now, let's get a little update on some of our favorite crypto projects, Cardano and XRP. After a strong rally to 85 cents after summary judgment on the Ripple case against XRP, we've had a pullback to the 50-cent level, with even more drawdown over the past few days. This kind of price action is expected in a bear market because good news does not have the kind of momentum that sends projects into the stratosphere. And besides, the summary judgment doesn't set in stone XRP's status as not a security, at least not yet. Many of us at Hit Network have confidence that Ripple is going to win the case and be the first regulated cryptocurrency. But for now, it's an accumulation zone, and unless you've got those moon bags packed, it's an opportunity for the XRP army to buy more at lower prices. The price of XRP is down 14% in the past week and over 30% over the past 30 days. Cardano is in a strong accumulation zone as well. Over the past month, the overall crypto market was pushed down after a mini rally. Bitcoin tested 30K after hitting local lows, and everything else in crypto went up along with it. Cardano started a slow climb back up to 50 cents, but has since had a setback in price. Down over 12% this month, Cardano's ADA is trading at about 25 cents. It's still one of the projects with the most developer participation, followed by Kusama and Polkadot. In May, an investment company called Adaverse announced a vision for 2023 to help startups in Africa and Southeast Asia through the Cardano ecosystem. They plan to use the blockchain for remittance payment and freelance markets, accelerating Cardano's strategy for building financial infrastructure in Africa. This partnership will act as a bridge between companies in Africa and Asia and give Adaverse unparalleled access to the Cardano ecosystem. This seems topical now more than ever as we hear the news on BRICS and how they just had a meeting out of Johannesburg focused on bringing a new dominant currency to countries in the East. We certainly should not jump to the conclusion that they will use the Cardano blockchain, but it is a reminder that crypto is global. And although Cardano and other cryptocurrencies are being attacked by the SEC, it's a big world out there where many countries see the potential of blockchain and they want to use it. Don't forget that ATV goes live Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, so make sure to tune in on YouTube. Comment below what you think of this week's events in crypto, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'll see you next time. Toodles!